Chapter 5 Family Life. Welcome to our enlightening journey through Thirukkural, the ancient Tamil literary masterpiece. In this episode, we delve into Chapter 5, which delves into the beauty and significance of family life. Join us as we explore the profound teachings of Thirukkural on the importance of harmonious relationships within the family. Greetings to all our viewers. Today, we embark on a captivating exploration of Chapter 5 of Thirukkural, which is dedicated to family life. Join us as we uncover the timeless wisdom that Thirukkural imparts on the foundations of a thriving and harmonious family. Chapter 5 of Thirukkural recognizes the significance of the family unit as the cornerstone of society. Thirukkural's verses touch upon the various aspects of family life, offering guidance on love, respect, unity, and the responsibilities that bind its members together. Let's delve into the profound teachings of this chapter and gain insights into the beauty and intricacies of family life as envisioned by Thirukkural. Thirukkural highlights the importance of love and respect within the family. He emphasizes the bond between parents and children, the mutual support between siblings, and the reverence for elders. These relationships form the foundation of a strong and nurturing family. Thirukkural's teachings remind us of the essential virtues required to maintain a harmonious family life. He emphasizes the values of love, understanding, patience, and forgiveness, which foster unity and strengthen the familial bonds. Thirukkural encourages families to engage in shared activities, celebrate joys, and face challenges together. He emphasizes the importance of communication and active participation in each other's lives, creating a sense of belonging and unity within the family unit. Thirukkural reminds us that family life is not just about blood relations but also about the bonds we form with those we consider as family. It teaches us to extend love, care, and support beyond our immediate relatives, creating a larger sense of belonging and unity. As we reflect on Chapter 5 of Thirukkural, we are reminded of the profound significance of family life. Thirukkural's wisdom guides us to cherish and nurture the relationships within our families, fostering love, respect, and unity that enriches our lives and society as a whole. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through Thirukkural's Chapter 5. May the teachings of this ancient text inspire us to cultivate strong and harmonious family bonds, creating a haven of love, support, and happiness. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes as we continue to unravel the timeless teachings of Thirukkural. Until next time, may your family be a source of joy, love, and unity.